I'm going to talk to you today about MedlinePlus. MedlinePlus is a website that offers reliable, up-to-date health information about diseases, conditions, and wellness issues in non-medical jargon. It's created by the National Institutes of Health. It's for consumers or patients and their families and friends, and it is produced by the National Library of Medicine. It's available anywhere for free. So you just have to go to medlineplus.gov. It includes extensive information on prescription and non-prescription drugs, a medical encyclopedia, health information in Spanish, as well as in many other languages, directories, and links to thousands of clinical trials. How to access MedlinePlus is, like I said, you can just go to medlineplus.gov. We also have more information for you linked under resource guides, MedlinePlus for Alaska Medical Library clients. When you open the MedlinePlus website, you will see a number of different resources. You can search on a topic, or you can scroll down and click on health topics, information about drugs and supplements. You can also scroll down and see what the featured topic is. And at the bottom, this is where you can click on health information in multiple languages. So these are all of the languages that are represented in MedlinePlus. So this is a really great resource for patients. You can also click on health topics from the MedlinePlus homepage and scroll through a number of different resources. When you click on a topic, it gives you the information in different languages as an option. If you were looking to learn more about anxiety, you would simply type it into the search box, and the information would come up. This is reputable, free health information for anyone to access. So that's MedlinePlus. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us at the Alaska Medical Library at uaa.aml@alaska.edu.